In this video, you are going to see 5 books that I have bought from Asia's largest used book market, College Street. So stay tuned. Hi there, I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you 5 books that I've bought from Asia's largest used book market, and that is College Street. So I'm going to show you the books one by one, and I spent 500 for these 5 books. So let me show you the first book, that is this, and The Power of Now by Ekotoli. And you must have seen this book everywhere on internet, and this book cost me rupees only 100. So I visited College Street last week on Sunday, and I wanted to buy books, and I didn't have any list of the books that I wanted to buy. But when I saw this book, I actually didn't stop myself from having my hand on this book. So I gave this book a try, and the quality of this book is readable. It's not magnificent, but it's a readable quality. Okay, so this book is amazing. It is all about a guide to spiritual enlightenment, and I haven't read this book yet, so I can't comment on this book, how good this book is. But if you want to read something spiritual, then actually I have heard a lot about this book, so I'm very optimistic about reading this book. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so the first book, I bought this book costing rupees 100. Okay, so the second book is this, Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, and this book is written by John Gray, and it's a pretty old copy, and this book was published in 1992, and I was born in 1993. Okay, so now I'm like 29 years old, and this book is 30 years old. So a 30 years old book I'm holding. You can see the yellow pages, but this book is readable. The cover was pretty tempered, and back cover and front cover was tempered, so I had to decorate this book. I have bought this book for one of my students because she wanted to read Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. I have already read this book, and I have given my copy to one of my students, and this copy is for Parvati. You may have seen Parvati in my video. We had some conversations, so this is for her, and I had to pay 100 for this book. Okay. And by the way, if you are going through relationship problem, then you have to read this book, because you need to understand both men and women have come from different planets. Okay, so relationship guide, Valentine's Day. It's 14th February when I'm actually shooting this video. So today is the Valentine's Day, and this book is for all the men and women, those who are in deeply love with themselves. And by the way, it's not about that you have to read this book because you are dealing your girlfriend or wife, husband, or boyfriend. If you are going to deal with any feminine gender or main gender, if you are a man, you are going to deal with feminine gender. If you are you belong to a feminine gender, you are going to deal with masculine gender, then you just need to read this book. Okay, this is all about that. So go for it. The third book, without wasting your time, is this, The Guide by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, not R.K. Narayan, R.K. Narayan. And I am currently reading The English Teacher by R.K. Narayan, and I like this. I like English Teacher a lot because the storytelling is amazing. I will definitely put out the book review on my channel, but this book I found very interesting because of the page quality. Okay, it fascinated me a lot, and it is also a used book, and it cost me rupees 100. So the actual price is written here 130. Okay, and I got 30% less, so it cost me 100. So this is the book which I want to read, and R.K. Narayan's writing style is unique. Okay, it is kind of a literary fiction, you can say. So yeah, it is going to be a great read for me. So I bought this book at rupees 100 from Asia's largest used book market, and that is College Street. The fourth book that I'm going to show you is this, world famous Anthony Robbins' Unlimited Power, The New Science of Personal Achievement. I wanted to buy this book for a long time, and Finally, I got this book at rupees 100. This book is generally sold at rupees 400 on Flipkart and Amazon, and I just bought this book, and I found this book in a pretty good condition, so I thought I should give it a try. So here is this. Okay, I don't want to comment on this book because I haven't read it yet, but currently I'm reading Awaken the Giant Within by the same author, and I know how he writes. It's amazing book. It's going to be an amazing book. So fourth book at rupees 100. Okay, now let me show you the very difficult but world famous fiction by Charles Dickens, Great Expectation, Oxford World's Classic. This is published by Oxford, and it's a very old copy. This edition was published in 1994. Okay, 1994. So, it looks amazing. The book's condition is not so bad. It is readable. The reader who read this book used a lot of highlighters and everything, and he or she, I don't know, did pretty good hard work in understanding the book, and that is why he wrote down all the difficult words meaning next to those words, and it looks amazing. And I really love this. I love this book because the condition is amazing, and by the way, this book is really, really tough. If you want to buy Great Expectations, then you have to go slow, and that is all. That's all the information I have about reading Great Expectation by Charles Dickens. I have read a couple of stories by Charles Dickens, but I've never tried any novel. This is the first novel which I bought at rupees 100. So this is a great deal, isn't it, guys? These 5 books I bought rupees. I bought rupees at 500, and I'm really looking forward to reading all these books because these books are pretty famous in self-help genre. So if you want to, if you want to get more videos like this, then you have to subscribe to my channel, and you can get notified by simply clicking on the notification bell. I have also uploaded some book unboxing videos, also some book reviews, and if you are interested in watching them, then please visit the description. In the description you will get all the links. Till then, you take care, and next time, bye.